Hello students, I hope you all are doing good. So welcome to the class. Today we are going to talk about a topic that is super senses. So first let's begin with the senses. What are senses? Senses is anything or the sense is anything that we feel. For example, here we have 5 basic sense organs, that is eyes, nose, ear, tongue and skin. So these are the 5 basic sense organs. Okay, so what eye helps us? Eye helps us to see. Nose helps us to smell. Ear helps us to hear. Tongue helps us to taste. And skin helps us to feel. So these all are the senses: see, smell, hear, taste and feel. So today we are going to talk about the super senses. That means the senses that are superior or that are extraordinary. So today we will talk about the senses of eagle, the senses of dog and the sense of ant. So let's begin with the eagle. What happens ki whenever you are standing in a ground with a piece of food particle in your hand, what happens? From somewhere an eagle spot you, and that eagle came to you and snatch that piece of food from your hand and go away. Now the question arises, from where that eagle is able to know that you are having food into your hand. So eagle could see it from the sky. That means eagle has a very strong sense of vision, or we can say, yes, so eagle has a very strong sense of vision. That means she or it can see from the sky. Then next, let's talk about the dog. You all know about dog, you all have seen the dog. What happens whenever you cross from near the dog? Whenever you cross near the dog, what happens? The dog's ears get elevated. Okay, or its ears get stand. So what is the reason behind it? There could be something, because sometimes what happens, the dog is sleeping, still the ear of the dog got elevated. So what is the reason behind it? So from this we can conclude that dog is having a strong sense of hearing, because the dog can hear your movement even when he is sleeping. If you will try to move from near the dog very slowly, then also the dog can catch you moving. So that means the dog has a strong sense of hearing. And also you have seen dog every time sniffing here and there. Dog every time tries to smell here, there and there. So what is the reason behind it? The reason is that the dog always tries to know whether any other dog has came into his area. He always tries to sniff here and there to get an idea whether there is another dog in its locality. And he smells the urine of another dog. Urine or the waste material of the other dog, and he can easily be able to conclude, yes, there is another dog came into my area. So that means dog has a strong sense of hearing and also strong sense of smell. And you have seen some police people, detectives, they generally use dogs for finding out the bombs or some of the nuclear weapons where they are being hidden. Now next, let's talk about the ant. Ants are very small. We have never seen their eyes, their nose or anything else. But have you ever noticed that whenever anything, that is any sweet thing, falls on the ground, every time after some time the ant comes near to the sugar or the sweet thing that has fallen on the ground. So what is the reason? The reason is that they can smell the sweet item or the sugar fallen on the ground, and by smelling that item they come near to that item to consume or to take it away with them. Okay, so they have a strong sense of smell. And one more thing, you have also seen the ants moving in the lines or moving in the form of queue. Why it happens? It happens because the ants, every ant, if there is a group of ant, so every ant has a specific smell. So whenever one ant moves from one place to another, the another ant, that is this ant on the second position, smells that ant and then go behind it. Then same happens with the third, then with the fourth and with the fifth. And in this way they keep on moving one after the other by the help of the smell. So this is all for today. Thank you very much.